Namaste. My name is Meenu Shukla. I'm the founder of Sai Arts Foundation, also founder of Sai Arts Studios, where we teach over 200 students in United States and try to teach Indian culture, Indian art, and trying to sustain Indian culture over there. Sai Arts Foundation is extremely pleased to have all the 5 artists, getting together for a wonderful cause for Ramakrishna Mission Lekamba, and the whole intention is to bring artists from United States, artists from India. They join hands, and then we create a beautiful event along with something for the cause. Sai Arts Foundation recently had donated to Civil Hospital. We have also adopted 2 schools in villages, for their fees and all the expense related to their education for children. And now today we are extremely pleased that Swamiji is here, and we are doing something for Lekamba. This is the 3rd show of Sai Arts Foundation, and there is one more coming up on March 1st. And we are just praying that with God's blessing we continue this work and we connect all the artists from United States and India, where we get inspired from Indian artists and the Indian artists get inspired by all the people who are working hard to sustain Indian culture in the United States. Thank you.
It's a great honor to present the show by Sai Art Foundation. 5 artists under one gallery. All have a different journey, different mediums and different art. But all together, they're creating one ambience, one energy. I'm Tripti Dave. I'm an artist, and I participated in this. I'm very thankful to Sai Art Foundation. And this 5 artists is Meenu Shukla, Tripti Dave, Kamlesh Gachar, Manish Modi, and
Pandya.
Vinay Bhai Pandya. So come, it's starting today. Come and enjoy the show. It is till Sunday, 15th February 2026. The title of the show is Reality and Beyond. So artist works are realistic work and beyond is abstract work. But finally they all connect at one point. It's a divine. So come and see. Some people may like abstract, some will like figurative, but it's a very great, very interesting show. So I invite you all to Ahmedabad Gufa. Thank you.
ways. And really, I am very happy to present here. Art is a sincere expression of human soul. It reflects not only what we see around us, but also what we feel within. The title Reality the Beyond reminds us that true art goes beyond form and colors and touches deeper truth of the life. Swami Vivekananda often reminds us that whatever uplifts the mind and expands the heart is a step towards spirituality. And I hope this art, what you are seeing here, will touch our heart and will take us toward the reality. Thank you very much.
Swamiji would like to present you with some small gift.
Small token
Token of appreciation.
Thank you, thank you.
And on behalf of Sai Arts Foundation for the mug.
Thank you very much.